trend of combining high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, with yoga continues to rise, this illustration explores how this powerful combination can be effectively utilized for weight loss. High-intensity yoga flows, interspersed with bursts of HIIT, maximize calorie burn and enhance cardiovascular health while maintaining the mindfulness and flexibility benefits of traditional yoga. The yoga pose Sun Salutations or Surya Namaskar, a series of 12 powerful yoga poses performed in a sequence. For HIIT integration, perform 5 rounds of Sun Salutations at a brisk pace, increasing your heart rate. The weight loss benefit? Sun Salutations work multiple muscle groups, enhancing strength and flexibility while boosting metabolism. The yoga pose Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. Stand with legs wide apart, turn your right foot out 90 degrees, bend the right knee, and extend your arms parallel to the floor. For HIIT integration, hold Warrior 2 for 30 seconds on each side, then immediately transition to jump squats for 30 seconds. The weight loss benefit of this combination is that it builds endurance and leg strength while providing a cardiovascular challenge. The yoga pose Chair pose, also known as Utkatasana. Stand with your feet together, bend your knees, and sit back as if you're sitting into a chair, raising your arms overhead. For HIIT integration, hold chair pose for 30 seconds, then transition to 30 seconds of high knees. The weight loss benefit here is that chair pose strengthens your core, legs, and glutes, while high knees increase your heart rate and burn calories. The yoga pose Plank pose, also known as Phalakasana. Begin in a push-up position with your arms straight and your body in a straight line from head to heels. For HIIT integration, hold plank pose for 30 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of mountain climbers. The weight loss benefit of plank pose is that it engages the entire body, especially the core, while mountain climbers provide a full-body aerobic workout. Benefits of combining high-intensity yoga flows with HIIT. Increased calorie burn. The combination of high-intensity yoga flows with HIIT significantly boosts calorie expenditure, aiding in weight loss. Enhanced cardiovascular health. HIIT intervals improve cardiovascular endurance and heart health. Muscle strength and flexibility. Yoga poses build muscle strength and flexibility, while HIIT promotes lean muscle mass and fat loss. Time efficiency. This integrated approach allows for an effective workout in a shorter amount of time, making it ideal for busy schedules. Mental clarity. The mindfulness aspect of yoga helps reduce stress, which can support weight loss efforts by curbing emotional eating. Integrating high-intensity yoga flows with HIIT offers a powerful and efficient approach to weight loss. By combining the best of both worlds, strength, flexibility, and mindfulness from yoga, and the cardiovascular, calorie-burning benefits of HIIT, you can achieve a balanced, holistic workout regimen that supports your weight loss goals. Make sure to share these valuable resources with your friends and in your WhatsApp groups. Encourage them to subscribe to our channel so they can benefit from Radhika's insightful yoga tips and mindfulness practices. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more.